I've been working on this with my wife and my good friend, former mastermind student Corey Banks, and we've been putting this all together just for you guys. So I really wanted to make a big announcement today. You guys had a little sneak peek of what I'm going to talk about earlier. I put a couple emails out over the week. I also put a couple of Facebook events out. So you know a little bit about what I'm talking about, but I'm going to give you some deep bonuses. This is going to be really groundbreaking. Tippy, thank you for joining in as well. If you get a chance, hit those hearts. Give me some of those likes. Gary, thank you for tuning in. Now we're getting a lot of eyes out there, and it's time to make these big announcements. First of all, I know what you're probably saying. What the heck is all of this behind you? I like to do things big. My wife said, if you ain't gonna do it big, don't do it at all. That came out a little bit strange, but anyway, I like to do things big. And we've been working on a brand new meetup over the last 3-4 months, because I've seen meetups where you have a combination of a little bit of networking, a combination of some deals, and so on and so on. So I started thinking, and we put our heads together, and we said, where can we make this a groundbreaking environment for the community? I'm talking about my Baltimore, my DC, my Washington, DC, my Virginia, my Eastern region community. What can we do to give them something they haven't seen before? And that's what we have here with the Real Meals and Deals. First and foremost, it will be the fourth, or should I say the first Wednesday of every month at this fantastic hip seafood restaurant. I'm sorry, this hip soul food restaurant. It's called Ida B's Table, and it's located at 235 Holiday Street, and it's going to be from 6:30 p.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Now, this isn't just the networking or happy hour type of thing for real estate investors. It's for real estate professionals and business owners. Each and every one of you guys will get something out of this event. And I kid you not, this will be huge. So, Ed, thank you for tuning in. Steve LeRae of LeRae Insurance. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, Steve has been one of my friends for years. If you guys are looking for a great insurance company to work with for your rentals, for your business, Steve LeRae Insurance. Okay, I know I just gave you a commercial, but hey, I love you, man. Albany, thank you for tuning in. Going back to what I was mentioning, Real Deals is going to be what I would call a groundbreaking meetup. Now, you know we got the Real Deal meetup. That's pretty much the second largest meetup in the nation with 8,000 members. Now, unfortunately, at the Real Meals and Deals meetup, we can only have 75 people in the room. Unfortunately, right now we can only do 75. But here's the key. Quality over quantity. The people that will be here at this meetup will be the best of the best. I'm talking about real estate professionals. I'm talking about investors, title company, insurance providers. I'm talking about business owners, entrepreneurs. I want each and every one of you there at this meeting. Now, why I think this meeting will be so groundbreaking is because it's going to be a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a whole lot of you and your business success. For example, from 6:30 to about 7:15, we'll have the networking. And that's just pure networking. Get with your individuals, get with other business owners, share your businesses, share your love, give everybody information about what you do and so on. And then from 7 o'clock to what we call 8 o'clock, we'll have what we call the food for thought session. And that's just me interviewing somebody while we're having dinner at the restaurant, interviewing a local expert or a national expert on a particular subject. Now, after that, we have what we call the deal gathering aspect of it, where you can bring your own real estate deals, bring your own elevator pitch, and just pitch your business, pitch your deals to individuals, buyers that will actually be in there, and other individuals that will want to do business with your business. All of that will be involved in what we're going to have for you at the Real Meals and Deals meetup. Now remember, it's going to be on the first Wednesday of every month at Ida B's table at 235 Holiday Street, hosted by myself, Tammy Blair, and Agent Corey Banks. So I want you guys there in the room. And now let's get back to these big bonuses. Hold on. Dwayne, thank you for tuning in. Glory, thank you for tuning in. Let's see who else we got here. Ed, I got a shout out to you already, my friend. Steve, already a shout out to you. Hey, happy Sunday to you too, my friend, Glory. Who else? Who else? Who else? Give me some love. Hit those likes. Hit them off. There you go, Jeff. Give it up. Give it up. I love it. I love it. Now, let's talk about my ethical bribe. My ethical bribe to you. Now, how do you get my 10 bonuses? It's simple. All you have to do to get your hands on my 10 bonuses is one, hashtag Real Meals and Deals. Put hashtag in the comment section, hashtag Real Meals and Deals. Then go ahead on over and RSVP on Meetup and you'll get my 10 bonuses. Now, what bonuses are we talking about? Let me show you. Bonus number 1. Feel like Vanna White now. Boom! You're going to get 9 months email sequence. This is the email sequence that I use in my real estate business. The email sequence will last for you for at least 9 months so you can respond to sellers on autopilot using my 9-month email sequence. Bonus number 2. My absentee owner script. This is the exact script that I use when my team is doing cold calling. You're going to get this exact verbatim script that we use when we're cold calling sellers, absentee owners on the phones. It's good. If you like what you see, heart it up. If you like what you're seeing so far, if you like these bonuses that you're seeing so far, hit me some hearts. Give me some hearts right now if you like what you're seeing. Okay, thank you. Thank you, man. Dwayne, Jeff, thank you. Tammy, thank you. Tom, thank you. Heart it up. Heart it up. Thank you. You want more? In the comment section, if you want more bonuses, say, I want more. Give me more. I want to see them. Give me more, mad scientists. Give me more. Okay, Augustine. Thank you, my friend. I'm glad you're tuning in, Augustine. Give me more. Bonus number 3. Boom, boom. You're going to get my wholesaler assignment contract. This is the exact contract that I use and my whole team use and my mastermind students use in our business. I'm going to give this to you free. Free, free, free. Number 4. Boom. My Baltimore City, Baltimore County, DC, and PG County contractor infographic. Now, what is that? That's a complete infographic that my team and Brian and I created in order to help you guys understand how to estimate repairs. These infographics work for Baltimore City, Baltimore County, PG, and Washington, D.C. So when you're on the phone talking to a seller, that seller, you're able to easily estimate the repairs by asking questions using my Baltimore City, Baltimore County, PG County, Washington, D.C. infographics. I'm giving it to you as an ethical bribe. All you got to do, hashtag Real Meals and Deals in the comment section below this video. Hashtag # Real Meals and Deals. And you're going to get it when you RSVP your attendance to this meetup. You want more? Do you want to see more? Do you want more bonuses? All right. Number 5. Boom. My homeowner credibility kit. This is the actual kit that we use when we're sitting in the living room of a homeowner who has a property for sale to tell that people, to show that person why they should work with my company. Not many people are doing this, guys. We actually have a whole credibility kit that we show to homeowners to say, forget about those other people. Here's why you want to do business with Chucky Buy Lucky Houses. This is the actual homeowner credibility kit that we use, and I'm going to give that to you for free. Let's go back to number 6. Bonus, ethical bribe. My, boom, FSBO call script. This is the call script that we use when we're actually talking to individuals that are for sale by owners, or when we do cold calling. This is the same script that my company used, and we're using it right now, getting deals under contract that my VAs are using when they talk to individuals that have houses for sale by owner. Oh, thank you, thank you. Ron, thank you. Ebony, you got it, my friend. Man, I love this. Let's get some more going. You want number 7? Should I reveal number 7? Number 7 is, boom, my How to Find Probate Deals cheat sheet for Baltimore City and Baltimore County. This is the actual step-by-step instructions that you use for Baltimore City and Baltimore County for probate pulling at the courthouse. It takes you step by step exactly how you pull them when you're pulling them in Baltimore City and Baltimore County courthouses. Now, it can be easily applied all around in other counties and other jurisdictions as well. But I'm going to give you the step-by-step plan for my Maryland investors who use it in Baltimore City and Baltimore County. Number 8. This is good stuff here, guys. Boom. This is my Money is in the Pinks cheat sheet. One of the best ways that we're getting deals is by going after landlords that are filing eviction on tenants. Motivated seller, opportunity there. They're filing an eviction. So this is the perfect time to go after those landlords who are trying to find new tenants. So the Motivated Pretty in Pink cheat sheet will show you exactly how to go down to the courthouse and find the failure to pay rent notices and market to these individuals to try to buy properties through rent to own, try to buy properties, tenant placement, and so on. Fantastic tool. We've been using it for years, a boatload of deals. Number 9, boom, my Mad Real Estate Business Plan. This is the exact business plan that I use in my business. I've created this business plan probably about 11 years ago. So I want you to take this template that we're using right now and use it as a template for your business. Now, of course, you got to make changes to it according to what you're doing, but it breaks down all the aspects of a real estate business. Remember, you should not be treating this like a hobby. This is a real estate business, and you should have a business plan for that business. We're talking about over 60 pages of my business plan that you can use as a template to create a business plan for your business. Thank you, Nash, for tuning in. Thank you, Chris, for tuning in. Keep it up. Oh man, Jeff, you are going like crazy. So I take it you want me to reveal number 10. You guys want number 10? Okay, if you want number 10, hit in their comment section. Let me see number 10, Mad Scientist. And I'm waiting for you. Let's see. Okay. Chris, Jeff, thank you. Nash, okay. Man, you guys are hitting it up. Excellent. Let's see. Number 10 is my favorite. Boom. 3-page contract that I use in my real estate business. Now, this contract you can use for wholesale deals when you're buying or putting properties under contract or wholesale, putting properties under contract for rehab, a normal simple contract, putting properties under contract for subject to, owner structured financing, lease option. The same contract I've been using for years is what I like to call my owner financing partner best friend contract. This contract is perfect when you're doing owner-structured deals and regular deals. This contract will get you out of all kinds of issues. It has some of the best escape clauses that you will want in your contract so that you can make sure you're covered when it comes to closing your deals. So I'm giving each and every one of you all 10 of these bonuses. All you have to do is 2 simple things.